He's visible.
Shivang, hello, how are you?
I am fine, Sonika Didi. Thank you. And what about of you? What about you?
I am in pink, thank you.
Okay, let's talk a little bit about hobbies. Let me start with Sarika. Sarika, what are your hobbies?
Okay, sir. Actually, sir, my hobbies are so many. I like to do so many things which give me happiness, and I'm very fond of music. You can say I can't imagine myself without music, and simultaneously, I love to singing and dancing as well, and I like to shopping. I like to chit chat with my families, and hanging out with my family and my friends. So there are so many hobbies, but I like to visit all the religious places, and I like to explore the new things. That's it.
Thank you, Sarika. Mute yourself. Renu, what happened? Renu, what
Yes, sir.
happened when you
Sir, actually, I'm calling her and she is not lifting my call. So, what to do? I don't know, sir.
No, no, don't bother at all.
Okay, sir.
We we are here talking.
Yeah, yeah.
And mm, okay, today you are the guest while she's coming,
Okay, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So say something about you.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. My name is Renu. Yeah, hello. My name is Renu Sangi, and I'm from Nagpur. And I have done my graduation, post graduation, and B.Ed from Nagpur University in 1997. So now I am housewife, and I'm married in Nagpur. Basically, actually, I'm from Punjab. So, but as I was married here, so I'm living here, and um, my hobbies are painting, cooking. I love cooking. I can cook 24/12, all time, anytime. You say if I'm sleeping also na, if somebody say ki bhai come, I'm feeling hungry, so I can cook. So I love cooking, and of course I love helping others anytime. That is also same for me. I'm ready to help anytime, and everybody, whoever he or she may be. So that give contentment to me, peace to me. So that is the great thing. And one more thing, I love myself, the whatever I am. So I love myself. I love whatever I do. And I don't know, you have met the person like who loves herself. So, but I love myself. So I just whatever day I spend, I just thanks to God. And every in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and I just thank you create me like this na, so I'm happy for that, and thank you to you. I just talk with God. You will be you will laugh on me, but I am like that. I'm still a kid, you know. I now I am in late 40s, but still I behave like a kid, no maturity at all. And I want to remain like that, because life is you know, very it's not in our hand, you know, you all know. So I live like that every shot of mine should be a great, people should remember when I leave. And like they should say कि भाई हाँ उससे कल बात हुई थी ना, that was the great talk. So I want to be in everybody's mind like a hero. So I give my every shot extraordinary. I try to give my shots extraordinary. So I'm from the family of six. Eldest is my mother-in-law. She is a homemaker, and second is my sister-in-law. Her name is Malini Sangi, and she is a cost accountant. But now she is running an Ayurvedic unit, and she is a manufacturer. And
Excuse me, Renu,
yes,
I
yes.
just want to interrupt. I think Kalpana madam unmuted herself.
To say
Maybe the
something.
guest has come. She wants to inform something.
Okay, okay.
She unmuted herself.
Yes, ma'am.
But I have checked the list. Actually, her name is Mary Srinathan, right?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But
Uh,
she has not joined so far.
yeah. Aparna, can you call her once? You can try calling. Call her once.
Renu Bhabi, I can call her, but if situation is same with you, so it will be same
So
with
that will be
me.
same with you. Okay, okay.
I can
So
try.
okay, okay. It's okay.
Let's change a little bit. Let me change, Renu. Thank
Yes,
you
sir.
for. I should stop you, and I should give Poonam a chance to say something. Poonam, if you
Yes.
are there, so it's your go. Say something about you. And if
Sir, please, I'm requesting you, please give me time. Actually,
okay,
I'm stuck in
meanwhile,
some work. Okay,
okay,
me.
meanwhile, Aparna will say something. Arey, Aparna has left.
Sir, she is left.
Okay, so Sarika, it's your go. Say something. These are new guys.
Okay. So should I give intro, little bit intro?
Whatever you want to say related to English, and actually, they are all new. So they will hesitate to ask you. But if, Beta Shivang, do you want to ask anything to Sarika ji?
Uh,
Yes.
sir,
Yeah.
should I interrupt? Yeah, I just called. She received my call and she's joining now itself.
Okay.
Sorry for delay, sir.
No, no, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Sarika, Sonika, would you like to ask anything? Shivang, you, the guest is coming meanwhile. Aparna, would you like to say anything while she is coming?
Before saying something, I would like to say something. She is still busy with someone else, so I just call her, but she is not there. I think she is busy.
Who is Shedi?
Keep calling Mary Nathan.
Her name
She's
is Mary Srinathan. Mary Srinathan. The message is given, yesterday by Renu. You did not read, guys. No problem.
okay.
So, okay, Aparna, your go. What are you saying?
Okay, guys. Good afternoon. This is Dr. Aparna Jha from Nagpur, Orange City. I've been living for 12 years after marriage with my spouse and son, and this is very nice city and developing by the transport minister Mr. Gadkari, and I have the witness of changing my atmosphere after 12 years. This is a quite well, and all the things gradually developing by the our prime minister and the whole group of um, ministers and developers. So this is the good for us. And now I'm come to myself. I'm very optimistic, introvert. Sometime I have done PhD and drawing painting from Jabalpur. Jabalpur is my Maika and native place as well. Uh, I was awarded at 2002 by the Doctorate of Art, Painting. And after 2 years, I have won Miss Mary Satyanathan, Sathi Anathan. Yeah, she has come. Welcome, Bhabhi. My Bhabhi. You are new, Bhabhi. Unmute yourself. Yeah, very warm welcome to you. I would like to say
Hello, Bhabhi.
something.
You are mute. You have to unmute your mute button.
Okay. So
Yes.
now am I audible? I'm audible.
Yeah.
Yes,
Now
yes.
you are
Yeah, yeah.
audible. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
First of all, I must thank all.
Let me introduce to Jha sir to you, our teacher. So,
Uh,
sir, uh, this is Mary Satyanathan, and sir is not visible, I think, now, and even he is not audible. Sir, are you there?
Maybe
Ma'am, are you?
he
Maybe
हाँ
he is not.
introduce her. Renu Bhabhi, let me introduce मेरे भाभी. Yeah.
You introduce her, please.
You can introduce very well because you are very
Anyone can introduce.
Yeah. Okay.
Anyone
She
can.
is. She is Mary Satyanathan from Nagpur. So she will talk with us, and it is a great opportunity for us to talk with her. She is Christian, I think. Am I right? Yeah. And her English is outstanding, and I called her to interact with all of us so that we can come across new words, and we will improve our English. That's all. That is my motive behind. Yeah. So sir is here. Bhabhi, our sir, Jha sir is here, and sir, she is Mary Satyanathan. Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very
I
good
feel very
afternoon.
privileged to be with you all today.
Welcome to this class for giving time. Thank you very much.
Thank you
Now
so
I'm
much.
muting myself. It's your go.
Sure. Thank you so much. First of all, I must thank all of you for giving me this opportunity to interact with you. First of all, I am so impressed with the whole idea that how you all have used this time so well to, to grow as a human being. And that is so important, and this journey continues to the end. I truly believe, and this, I was so impressed when I spoke to Renu. And, any opportunity should not be wasted. That's what I learned from Renu. And I learned that growth is a part of life. And before I put my question to you all, I have been a professor. I've done my master's in social work, and I'm also having a postgrad diploma in human rights. And I was a teacher for quite some time. Then afterwards, I was involved in research. But for some time now, I have been at home, and but the learning process is still on. So I just want one. Renu had told me that I could put forward some queries or questions, and so that y'all could be able to put forward your ideas, and that will be a learning experience for me too. So COVID-19 is something that has been a part of our lives for such a long time now, nearly 1 year, 6 months, 18 to 19 months. So I just wanted to know one question was, how has it affected your lives? This is my first question. How has it affected your lives? And the second would be, how has it affected your emotional well-being? Third would be, I would want to know how it has affected your family well-being. How would you address the issues? I do not know most of you. Some of your children may be teenagers, and they may be well in a space that they can take care of themselves, But I'm talking in terms of children who are about 2, 3, 4, 5 years. That would be the age category that I am concerned about. I would want to know how you all have dealt with children of that age. So now I put it forward to you. How you take it forward is your call.
Okay, Bhabi, I would like to say, repeat your first question. Then we will try to answer that, and step by step we will go ahead. Okay, so it is difficult for us to remember so many questions at one time. Yeah.
Yeah. Present the whole idea is that we are discussing about the COVID-19 situation. So I wanted to know how it has affected you all personally.
So,
Well,
Sarika, yeah, Aparna,
I
yeah.
would like to say one thing to you, then that you are asking some question to us. Few of us, like Renu, Bhavi, Poonam, and Sarika, and I, except these students are very fluent, matlab not very fluent, they are known as English, but few of students of this group are not known. They have starting learning English now. So only four or three guys here to speak fluently, like can able to answer your question. So I would like to ask you. I mean, so we would like to ask something to listen more about you. What would you, matlab, what do you say? We everybody in this group want to ask some question, and we would like to listen you more. If you give us permission to ask, we'll ask you any question, and some small and one sentence question, like just say what do you do in a free time, like
Yeah,
this.
sure. If I'll try my level best to address your questions. Yeah.
So Bhabi,
Bhabhi,
what do
I
you do
want.
in your
Aparna, at the outset, I must tell you that this 18 months, I had certain health issues, and those health issues kept me preoccupied largely. But I do a lot of crochet, I do a lot of reading, I do a lot of cooking, and then household chores. I wouldn't say I get bored too easily. I have so many other interests. Then I have a farm. I have a farm which keeps me preoccupied largely. The entire COVID when it was really bad, I spent most of my time at the farm. So that has been a very therapeutic experience for me. I was in the middle of a jungle, fresh air, nature. So I enjoyed that phase of my life, and as I told you, I do a lot of reading, I do a lot of crochet, I like to cook. Um, Basically, I am happy in my space. I enjoy my company.
Bhabhi, I want to ask you ki what sort of social work uh, do you usually prefer? Means you are dealing with human rights, na?
Right. So my area of concern primarily when I did my thesis also for human rights, I was concerned about geriatrics, elderly people, how whether they are being not cared for, so that was my concern. Then when I did my MSW, then I took it forward. I was interested in women and children, women and child welfare. That was my concern. Then I had the opportunity to send a proposal to UGC, and at that time AIDS was a very big concern in our country, so we could organize a national level seminar for the youth. So primarily I would say geriatrics, people who are elderly, women, children, and violations of human rights is my biggest concern. Yeah.
Okay, Bhabi, as we all are learning English, and basically we want to interact in English, and we want to be fluent in English, and that words should be proper words should come in our mind on proper time. So, what you suggest all of us? What we should take steps to enhance our language, to capture our command or over the non-native language?
See, at the outset, one thing we all know that as we age, our ability to develop our vocabulary gets largely compromised. Am I right? It means the amount of vocabulary perhaps a young youth child can absorb and then perhaps use it very eloquently may be a little compromised as you grow older, but that doesn't take away from the fact that reading allows you to really improve your vocabulary. And I being a student of English literature and language, that I used to do a lot of, especially the classics. Jane Eyre, Wuthering Heights. Sir will agree with me. And so these are these classics. They never go out of style or fashion. But reading is the best way to improve your vocabulary. And you know what happens, to hear very carefully when people speak, and pick up a word. And even when you're reading, there are some words for me also. uh, like what is that gentleman, that politician, I can't get his name. Yeah, साउथ इंडियन पॉलिटिशियन, उनका नाम क्या है मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. He uses
Shashi
his
Tharoor.
Shashi Tharoor, that's the guy, and his English is like next level. So still you have to refer to the word to a dictionary.
So,
So that
see, it is a never-ending process, I think.
no,
So we have to
no.
keep on improving ourselves.
Yeah, and you just must have from inside. It should be intrinsic. From inside it should come that want to learn. And if you hear a word and then you want to, then you should be able to apply that word. you know yeah, that's it. And reading is and nowadays BBC, if
Yeah.
you want to know exactly how to pronounce a word, there are sometimes there's so many, they use a lot of French also. I'm telling you from my experience, and I want to use those words. But you need to know the pronunciations. For that, BBC, all these channels are they will really help you a lot, because you can read the word, but you need to know how to pronounce it. So for that, CNN, perhaps, they would be able to help you a lot. Yeah.
Bhabi, I want to know that what kind of books we should read, all of us. Like, I don't have any interest of reading, so for people like me to put interest in reading, what kind of books we should prefer to read.
See, here, I would like to ask you, like, see, I'm a student of English literature and history and political science. Being a student of history, I love history and, like biographies, like the last Mughal. Sir will maybe may have heard of William Dalrymple. you know then the white Mughals. So being a student of history attracts me. So any book that comes out with somebody like like Shivaji Maharaj, Rani Lakshmi Bai, so these so this is my interest. Then I of course go for fiction also. I like Stephen, what is his name, I can read just about Wilbur Smith, I can read just about anything. So but history is my then I read a lot on Kindle, because I kept on buying, and then I thought, of course my children are also readers, but there comes a time that you just don't have any space now to keep books. So then the next opportunity was, I started reading on Amazon Kindle, but that doesn't give me that experience of turning a book. But you make peace, peace. And but I now read on Kindle. So this is how. See, now it depends upon you, Renu. Do you like history? Are you interested in literature, or is it fiction that you like, or do you like biographies? Biographies. I think, Renu, you would like to read. Yeah.
So
So
maybe actually I am like a health conscious person.
oh,
So
then that is it.
I think I should go for books related to health. or home science and all that related to. I think I should go for that. I buy that
Absolutely.
book and maybe my interest will enhance. So yeah,
Absolutely. That is your
yeah, I will
genre.
try
That is
that.
your genre. That is your genre. So go for it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bhabi,
Subject
do
is
you like
very more.
watching movies?
Sorry.
Do you like watching movies?
If it is something interesting, then perhaps. Otherwise, something which is inane, doesn't have a message. I'm seriously not interested in giving 3 hours for that. If it has got a message and all something, even the language could go here and there, because you on this OTT platform, some of the movies they use such a lot of bad language and all, but I understand that this is today what is happening, this is what is accepted. I am not being judgmental, but if there is a message, I'm okay with it. If there is a nice story, I'm okay with it. That is what my take is. But if there is no message and all and just something for 3 hours, I'm not going to sit through it. Yeah.
Bhabi, as I know your mother tongue is a Telugu or what?
My mother tongue is English. My husband is a Malayali. So Malayalam is he himself never stayed in Kerala. So actually his mother was a Maharashtrian. So he is fluent in Marathi. And the language spoken at home is English and Hindi. And we ourselves don't know when we go from English to Hindi and from Hindi to English. So like that it is. So my mother tongue is
Nice.
English.
The question on
Means
is
you have
कि
command of
language.
so many languages.
Uh,
Oh, sorry, Di, after you.
Sorry.
No, you
I
Poonam
said
wants
you
to
have
ask something.
very good command of so many languages.
Yeah, uh, because I was in the UP also, so then Hindi was good, and English is my mother tongue. So, but Marathi, I can read the script, I can understand absolutely, and I can even also speak. But when it is very, very means that the tenses and all, perhaps I may not be so fluent in Marathi. But English and Hindi, I think I get by with. Yeah.
You do social work, right?
in English all the day.
Sorry.
You do
You
social
interact
work,
your
no? So,
okay, Poonam.
okay, between pandemic period, what kind of help you do for needy persons like?
Ma'am, actually, I had told you at the outset that there was a health scare in my life. So, for the past 2 years, I have been concentrating on my health. So, really, I couldn't contribute as much as I would have wanted to. But whatever little donations and all to those organizations who are doing seriously good work, I was able to contribute there. But personally, physically, I could not be there. So that would be a regret for me. But my health concerns were largely more important at this point of time of my life. Yeah.
Okay. What happened to your health? Matlab, what kind of issues are going on in your health?
This is something that I don't want to discuss on this platform. Perhaps
Okay.
when we meet, yeah, I will talk to you about it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Anybody
Apan,
else
yeah,
to
Aparna,
go
please.
just and others to others is our rest to us. They can raise your question.
बच्चों आप लोग अभी नए हो तो चाहो तो हिंदी में भी पूछ सकते हो, संकोच मत करो.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So, Sonika and Shivang, you're getting such an opportunity as well. Hema is here. So, just interact with the ma'am. With I am calling her Bhabi, but you can call her ma'am. So, it is a opportunity to interact. You know what will happen when sir has organized the first this interaction section. So I could not raise any questions. I was just listening and listening because that hitch is there. So maybe you are facing that, you all are facing that, but raise your question, whatever you feel like in Hindi, anything a small will do, very small,
Yeah.
you will come up with small things, you know. So
Yes,
ask
yes.
anything. And meanwhile, Bhabhi, can you tell about your husband? He's a big shot in Nagpur, and say something about him. Bhaiya, yeah.
My
I would also
husband is
like.
husband is Advocate Prashant Satyanathan. For about 20 years, he was the public prosecutor and the government pleader also. And presently, again, he is involved with a lot of very sensitive matters. And so his legal career is very easy to speak about. It is what his interest is, what I would like to share with you all. He comes from a Gandhian family wherein his father was at Sevagram, and his mother was also with him there in Sevagram, and she then was the head of the Department of Music. She has a PhD in music. My mother-in-law, she of course is no longer alive, and so she was. So this family is a mix of a politician and a musical family. So Prashant is a very good musician also, and he, besides his other uh, you know achievements, what I would like to place and record is he's a wonderful husband and a great father. Yeah. And this journey which I have told you of 2 years was primarily possible because of my husband being with me all the time, always. And so achievements in everybody's lives, there are achievements, but it is sometimes the small things that we tend to forget, what the human being is really, his ability to care, his ability to, his consideration for, now also, whenever I go somewhere, certainly somebody comes at the airport or maybe anywhere, they will just come up and say, sir, आपने 15 साल पहले मुझे ना यहाँ पे जरूरत थी और आपने मुझे मदद किया. He has forgotten, but that person hasn't. So what I really want to place on record, sometimes the small things that we do in life, mean a lot in another person's life, So Prashant is a very good human being and a good husband and a good father.
And he is very calm also, na? Bhaiya is very calm and quiet, I think. How is
Yeah, he's
he is in this profession, I don't know. And Bhabhi, I want to know about the next life, na? Something,
yeah.
yeah, that you share with us, yeah.
Yeah, that Sai Baba case, I'm sure all of you all are acquainted with. It is sub judice, so I don't want to say make any comment on that particular case. But that is a very landmark case. So and for throughout that period of time, Prashant is to travel to Gadchiroli, and it is to be so dangerous with all the Naxalite movement in that particular area. But he was able to get very landmark. Uh, the case reached its logical conclusion uh, through his efforts. So, of course, Dr. Sai Baba still is in jail. So, presently, I cannot make any any comment on that particular case. But that was a very landmark case in Prashant's life. Yeah. Besides the others. Yeah. Yeah. So,
Okay, Bhabhi.
Bhabhi, can you give us any suggestion about improve our English, like
Aparna,
how to pronunciation, like accent?
Aparna, for that, as I told Renu also at the outset, reading is the biggest for improving your language, reading. And then for your accent and pronunciation, to get the exact pronunciation accent, I think BBC, CNN, these channels, their pronunciation is on point and very apt. very, and the language that they use is very, the language is also, like sir will concur with me, every 10 years language also, evolves, and there are certain key words that, are uh, in used in daily parlance, as Dr. Sir will explain to you all also. So, these two things, and then, speak, keep speaking. Don't hesitate to speak. We make mistakes. I make mistakes, and we all do, but that doesn't mean you should stop. Don't hesitate. I think the first thing that you need to do is to throw the hesitation out of your soul, heart, and just speak. Like I hear Renu, I hear you also, Aparna, speaking. So you are speaking so well, and I should congratulate sir. He has done an excellent job, and so just speak. Speak. As you speak, you become more confident, and you become more lucid. Your language will improve. You will, and read whenever you get time. Read, and watched, as I told you, those channels. Most of them means, when I was also teaching, I also kept learning, because there is terminology in social work. Also, there are terminology. You have to use the exact term. You can't negotiate. You have to use that word. So for that, we all learn. The learning process is on. That curve, the learning curve is on. So that doesn't stop.
Actually, Bhabhi, this question was asked. I asked you because one girl from other side, she is from Marathi accent and some Sindhi, some Bengali. So her mother tongue is different, and whenever she talks in English, so it comes with it. The pronunciation makes it different. So how can remove this thing from us? Means using mother tongue and accent. This is just like we are Marathi. Just like I am Marathi. I'm not Marathi, but I am saying. So I say something word in web. Whenever I speak in Marathi, I use it in English. So how?
Aparna, see, why should we feel ashamed of it? Why should we feel ashamed of it? We live in a country with diverse cultures, languages, states. I think we need to be proud of it. Even if we do have an accent, it's okay. You're working on it. But if it is there, it is there. You needn't feel conscious about it. It is a part of your. It is part of your culture. It is part of your. But I think people need to appreciate the fact that you're talking in a language which is largely foreign to you, but you're making an attempt. And I don't think there's any reason for people to make any comment or judge you by that. I've seen people, there are some people who, because and I'm just giving my example, just because they are Christians and all, they speak English, but they don't speak pure English. There is no vocabulary. Their pronunciation and accent may be on point, but their language doesn't take you anywhere. There is no vocabulary. How great is that? I don't think that is great. I think we should embrace the fact that, yes, this is my culture. I speak like this, but I am making an effort. I may not be exactly, my accent may not be right, my pronunciation may be compromised, but that is me. That is me. I'm talking, and be proud of that, Aparna. Never feel that I should speak just like, those guys who speak in America or Britain. Most often they don't speak English. Actually, we speak better English, sometimes what they speak, you never know. They eat up half the words. They are not clear. Their language is not clear. You don't understand half the time what they speak. So don't feel compromised on that point. This is mine. This is my take.
Very nicely Bhabhi explained, and I totally agree with you. So
Exactly.
yeah, we are making efforts. That is more than enough, and we are going to other languages. It is a non-native language, and what we are doing, we can ask them to क्या बोलते, communicate with us in Hindi. They can't do, and they will not even try, because Hindi is Sanskrit, and Hindi is such a hard language for them to adapt. So we are adapting.
Absolutely.
We are great.
English,
Absolutely. Absolutely.
English
Hindi
also,
is
whenever they speak English, person means English जो है, whenever they speaks Hindi, they makes mistake. Speaking Hindi,
Exactly.
why shouldn't I make mistakes?
Yeah.
है ना?
I have seen that, I'm telling you
Hindi
from
is
my
difficult
experience.
rather than other language.
Yeah. I'm telling you from my experience. I tried, to speak in Marathi. What I really feel is very very sad is that people mock you. They laugh. Now Marathi is not my mother tongue, but I'm making an effort, right? And when I speak, and I may go. My tense may go wrong, or something may go wrong. I don't have that much of a vocabulary, but they will laugh. And I think that is very sad when people don't appreciate the effort that another person is making, and they laugh. I think that is very sad. And I don't think we need to give that much importance to this. This is your graph, and that graph is going up. It is not going down. It is going up. So then that is all that should matter to you. That's what I feel.
So actually, whenever one get opportunity, na, they should just keep on speaking. What happened? I know that Bhabi is very good in English. So I called her first, a few days back. So that was the first time I tried to speak in front of her throughout English. And I said, Bhabi, I may be mistaking in my sentences, but please don't bother and let me know whenever you find the mistake, and let me know. I will improve and I will rectify that. And she was so happy and she motivated me. And at the end she said ki Renu, grammatically you are absolutely right and there is no mistake. And she appreciated me and she boosted me. You keep on speaking, and I'm very happy that you are learning English. And now I am looking forward to see Bhabi whenever I find her. So I just go and speak with her English so that my confidence increases. So guys,
Most
whoever is not Shivang, Sonika, Hema, and whoever is not speaking, it is an opportunity for them. Speak 1 2 lines, whatever you want, any sentence, anything you can ask. This is a platform where we should means we are family. We are family. We know each other, and there is no hitch. If we are mistaking, if we are talking in Hindi, that is also okay. If you are talking in Hindi, one day you will convert that in English, and now itself we can convert. And sir is there to help us. So come out of that and come forward. I'm telling you again and again. And yeah, Sarika and all, you can continue talking with Bhabi. Yeah.
Bhabi, would you like to
Yeah.
share something about your family, your kids with us?
Yeah. See, as I told you, my husband is a lawyer. He's a practicing lawyer in both the High Court and the District Court, Criminal Court and Civil Court as well. Presently, I am at home, and my eldest daughter is married, and she's also a professor in the Department of Law. She's now the head of the Department of Law in LLM in Kandivali, that is in Mumbai. My son has done his MBA. He's doing a second MBA from MIT, and because of the COVID, and because I needed at that time, uh, s- uh, I needed emotional help besides being there physically, and also the COVID situation was so bad in Pune. So he was with us, and he's with us now. So this is basically my family. And as far as my in-laws are there, I told you they were Gandhians. They were both in Sevagram. And my mother-in-law was a musician. She was the head of the Department of Music. My father-in-law was also a scientist. And way back in time, about 40 years back, he was doing a lot of experiments in biogas. So in Sevagram, he kept doing all his work. Yeah. And my eldest brother-in-law is Karunakaran Satyanathan. He was in the railways, and then subsequently he joined logistics, and he's now in Delhi. And my elder sister-in-law, uh, Veena Satyanathan, she's a musician also, as well as a Kathak dancer. She's also in Delhi. I had a sister-in-law. My husband, his brother, they are two brothers and a sister. She had Down syndrome. She died 20 years back. So this is the family from my father's side. My mother's side means from maternally. We are five siblings, including me. And my father was an officer in the railways. My mother was a hazif, and we are all now settled. Three of us, my brothers and my siblings, are in Nagpur, and a brother and a sister are in Jabalpur. They are all now settled with grandchildren, grandparents they are. So they are all fine. And,
Okay, so, Bhabhi, what you told, they are in Jabalpur.
yeah, one sister
Okay.
and one.
So you have been in Jabalpur many times?
Yeah, I go there and I got married from Jabalpur.
Oh wow, that is great. Okay.
Actually,
So you
Jabalpur
know
is
the
my
city.
native place.
Yeah.
I'm born and brought up in Jabalpur, and I'm
Okay,
living
and
in Mumbai now.
Oh,
okay.
wonderful.
And
That De
Bhabhi,
Silva compound in Civil Lines, no? De Silva compound. I don't know.
Yeah, yeah,
That is
this
so
Selva
that belongs to
compound.
my sister-in-law. That belongs to my sister-in-law. She was Helen De Silva. She married my
okay,
husband.
Bhabhi, our sir is from Jabalpur. He's from
Oh,
Jabalpur. So he's teaching from us from there.
oh, wonderful, wonderful, sir. That's so nice. I have not been for quite some time now. When my brother-in-law passed away 2 years back, that is the time I went. Uh, After that, I have not been there for quite some time now. Yeah.
So whenever you come to Jabalpur next time, just give me a call.
Sure, I will do that.
And I have studied in De Silva School.
Okay. De Silva School means where?
It is in Baldev Bagh, Jabalpur. The area's
Okay.
name is Baldev Bagh. And the name of
Okay.
my school is Ratan Shi De Silva.
Oh, that's so nice. So nice. So nice. Wonderful. But now that property, I think my brother has disposed of that property. There is some buildings coming and all, and they have gone a little out of Jabalpur, so they stay there. So I think there is some construction going on there. So I'm not aware of the progress now as present. But Jabalpur is a beautiful city. See your
So
marble rock.
God is creating that we all will have a get together near future
Yeah,
with
yeah.
sir. Yeah.
We plan.
Yeah, we will
We plan
plan.
something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Sarika, now you
We
have
will come.
to. Yeah, you have to come all way to us to Jabalpur.
Yeah,
So,
Bhabi, definitely.
Yeah. So we all will meet in Jabalpur. Poonam,
Pakka.
it is for you also.
Yeah, I will also come to with you.
Yes.
Poonam has not. I'm not shared something. I've not heard Poonam's voice.
um, ah, my name is Poonam Motwani, and my husband is a pharmacist. And
Wow.
okay, I had two sons. I am blessed with two sons. My elder son is 22 years old, and he has completed his D Form, and now he is doing B Form pharmacy
Oh,
in B.
wonderful.
Okay. And my second son, he is 17 years old, and he's in class 12 now.
Okay,
I
that's great.
Okay, and I before marriage I had done graduation only. After the 14 years of marriage, I have completed my post graduation and I have done B.Ed, and then I have completed my counseling. I have done MA in psychology. Then I
Oh,
continue
wonderful.
in counseling now.
Oh, that's
So
so great. You have a very important role. I'm sure, because that was my first question, that dealing with post Corona, you know,
yeah,
what do you think would be, what would how would you be able to help young children,
yeah.
post
Because
Corona,
this is the actually this in pandemic
So,
time.
what do you feel, Poonam? I was just wanting to know, since you are a psychologist, I would like to know your inputs. Know that What do you think?
Sorry, I'm not psychiatrist. I'm only counselor, psychologist. Okay.
Psychologist, that's what I'm. Yeah, I'm talking in terms of counseling only. I'm not talking in terms of a psychiatrist. I'm
I'm also
talking in terms of.
I have counseled so many kids of teenagers who have faces so many problems in this pandemic period. Actually, what happened? Ki children are not going to their workplace like school and colleges, and they are at home only. So they are facing so many problems because they are addicted to like laptops and TV and mobiles. So basically they are most of the children, and they are also having lots of junk food at home also, because in
Yeah.
so that's why they are facing so many problems like health issues, and depression is also going on. So what happened ki earlier what happened ki children stay at home for very less time. They spend their time with their family very less, and now they are spending so many times with their family. So sometime it happened ki in joint families they are fighting with cousins and all that. So it happens one of a child I'm counseling, that it's continue now, it's done. He has what happened with him, he has not comfortable with his cousins. So whenever he talks with their that cousins or brother or sister, he is the youngest in his joint family, and all his cousins are elder. So he's facing so many problems with their elder cousins, and their parents are also facing problem with that child. Because what happened, if child is facing something, then mother is also facing that problem in joint family. So mother is also quite angry, and the child and the mother both have got that anger management. So they both are coming for anger management to me, and they are from Raipur actually. They six thrice in a month they come to me, and all the time they call me on like video call. I do counseling with them, and even my kids are also facing same problem, because my younger son is in 12th now, and when he has completed his 10th class, that time that corona has started, no. So now he turns in class 11th, and now he's in 12th, and he also wants to be actually a cricket player. So he his aim was only to he wants to his career in player, like a player. So now he is thinking that what should I do, because of corona there is no practice, no matches are going on, and so this is the big problem, not only for my child, it is problem for all the teenagers who are in that period actually. So I can understand ki this is the and so in my neighbor also 2 3 children who has admitted in the UK and US, and they are not able to go there. And actually it's not actually we elder thought ki we think actually कि everything is not in US and UK, but in this age of that children, it is very difficult to make them understand कि how they can face that their problems, because they think कि this is only there, whatever they want to what मतलब जो भी वो करना चाहते हैं, everything is there only, they cannot do in इंडिया में कुछ नहीं हो सकता, that is they are thinking, teenagers thinking. But it is very difficult for parents and counselors to make them understand कि you can do here also. It's not necessary कि you go out only and you can do everything. You can do at your home actually. But one benefit is there कि they are staying at home, so they are now more comfortable with their parents also. Earlier there was no sharing between children and parents, but nowadays what happened ki parents are also giving time to their children. Earlier I don't know, I'm not saying for anyone, but I have seen that ki so many mothers are what they are doing ki they are they are going anytime they are going out for their parties and all that, and they are not attending their children. But कोरोना has मतलब कोरोना सबको ये सिखाया है, कोरोना has learned all of them कि family is very important, and we should first our first priority is family only. We should give our time to our family first and our health first, because corona has a time we has lost many our close ones also. So it was very sad time for us in between, which period has come on second step of corona we have faced, no, we all have faced. Not only matlab we, whenever we heard about anyone that he has in second step of corona, we heard so many youngers were lost their life. So it was very bad time for all of us, because from matlab dil se we all were upset for all that na. One of my cousins and one of my neighbor in surrounding our, we have lost so many people. So
you know, nearly 43 lawyers we've lost in Nagpur itself, you know, and 43, believe me, you know, and and the scene is so bad in the court, you know, that the young lawyers with small young families, you know, they don't have money and they are forced to come to court, because how will they survive otherwise, you know? So they are forced to come, and they contracted COVID, and then they lost their lives. Young people now, you know, there is a huge effort going on in the district court and all, to, you know, to make small donations for these young families, you know. Sometimes there are just 3-month-old babies, you know, father has passed away.
Right.
So yeah, it has been very bad.
One of my known family, there are two brothers and their father. The three all died, and only ladies are there in their house. Only mother-in-law and two daughter-in-laws are there, and they don't have actually they had business of medicine, and so now that wives wants to complete their education, and then they can survive their family, no? So it's very big issue for them ki how they survive their family and all that.
This is another, you know, you are just now talking to you. I've just come to know that this is another situation that has, you know, been thrown up in the world, you know, that the husbands, the male members of the family have gone, and now survival means these ladies have to now leave their homes, their private space, their comfort space, and make a living so that their families and their children can survive. So, you know, it is Corona has taught us many lessons, you know. I think one lesson that I learned, you know, that you need to be very comfortable with yourself. I know you are a psychologist. I'm sure you will have so much inputs to give, how to be comfortable with yourself. You know, I know it is very easy to speak. I know, because sometimes we felt desperate and so anxious, you know, so lonely, you know. I'm talking of those families where there are only 2 or 3 members, you know, and then when you're going through a health crisis, how it becomes, you know, overwhelming, you know.
You know what, actually who are spiritually attached with any like, no, so they are more healthy mentally, they are more healthy. And actually mental supports needs that also. Prayer is also very helpful to less their anxiety. Actually prayer is the biggest tool for that actually.
Very true.
I believe in God, that we should surrender to Him. Then everything He will also get well. So right, and more is what you should always modify your thinking whenever any part of your life is becoming you like anxious, or become any incident which like gets you like you are not feeling good, then you should always modify your thinking. You should convert your thought in positive way. And you should also what to do, you should always remember that memories which gives you positive energy, not remember negative part of your life that makes you unhappy. So always try to
Correct.
remember your positive memories, and whenever any negativity comes in your mind, then convert it into positive, so it will help you more to like be comfortable
To deal
and
with it. To deal with it.
yeah, to deal with your because what happened, there are two wheels in sorrow and happy, both will come equally, so
Yeah.
we have to manage in our life, so balance is necessary, balance is must, so if we balance, then we can move ahead.
Correct. Correct. Very true. Very true. Very true.
Thank you.
Well done, Poonam. You have spoken out of all the mouth, and this what we have faced all the thing and during pandemic. We have, even the first phase of pandemic, we have, I could not say means there was a no risk, so many restriction. Could not go out. We could not buy anything, and that time we all are in the home and. Is one thing कि we had roti namak that time only. But happiness is this: we are together. We were together. We are together in a positive way and with a family. My son is enjoying my company and playing with him and my husband. They have he has also enjoyed the company with the family. After a long time, he was spending so much time with us. So it was nice thing, something we have learned, something we have pandemic taught something. So it is
Yeah.
great for nature कि we have मतलब this is the positive, we have learned something. A
Yeah.
negative,
Yeah.
so we can always मतलब it is in our mind, always comes in our mind, but positive thing is that we have learned how to live with together with the family, all joint family. I have joint family, so we live together, enjoyed every function, every festival, and every moment we enjoyed. This is more important thing in the
Very
family,
true. Very, very true.
है ना?
It's
Sonika,
very
you asked something, beta. Sonika and others. Ritu is here.
And
my
same is
battery is
the
going low. Battery
Hema,
go
Ritu, Sonika.
charger. One second.
Anything in Hindi? हिंदी में भी कुछ भी पूछ सकते हो. सोनिका, हेमा, रितु.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Please share your hobbies. What's your hobby? Please share with us.
Yes, Sonika. Is that Sonika?
Yes, yes.
Sonika, I just said, I'm a big reader. I read a lot, and I do a lot of crochet, and I love cooking. So this keeps me occupied. So this is it. I said, and then household chores, and by the time my day is done, so I keep away sometime. I have a friend Seema. So actually my battery is really going low, so I'm concerned with how to charge my battery. So. I told her, I have a friend Seema. She was saying I'm involved with household chores and the grandchild and all, and I don't have time, me time. I don't have. Only one suggestion I had for her: Ki Seema, do everything, but take out time for yourself. Take out time for yourself. That little me time, goes a long way. I'm sure you will agree with me, Poonam, that small me time that you have, that you read something or you do something creative. You're all artists also. I know Renu and Aparna are real great artists, and so I'm sure when you do that little work, how the creative work, how you feel. I know Sarika also must be doing something. So that helped me. That helped me through my health crisis as well as this COVID situation. Not that I'm not saying that I did not have my bad times. I had huge bad times. in the sense I used to lose my temper. So I have been on that journey. How much we may say, ki, oh, this time, that time, we did this, we did that. But I know for sure that all of us had that time when we just lost it. We were just not comfortable. We just were feeling so lonely. And I know that each one of us are lonely at some point of time in our lives. We are lonely. We may accept it, we may not accept it, but it is there. So, but as you say, as I was saying, Sonika, that these hobbies help you a lot to calm you down, to make peace with your situation. Isn't it, Poonam?
Sure. Yes, yes. Hobbies are must actually. It's also helps to like your loneliness. It will you will comfort. Huh.
Hobbies make us happy,
Very true.
cool, and calm.
Yeah, see, like crochet is like meditation. You are doing that same thing repetitively. वो आप है ना बार बार कर रहे हो तो आप रिपीट कर रहे हो. इट इज लाइक मेडिटेशन. लाइक आप है ना व्हाट लाइक आप ओम बोलते हो. यू कीप रिपीटिंग दैट. That is what meditation. So this also, when I do crochet, I repeat that same stitch constantly. That is working like meditation for me. That's why I'm saying it is therapeutic for me.
Actually, you know what? Hobby is what which you like to do most. Like, okay,
Yeah.
hobby is your favorite thing. Whatever you
Yeah.
like to do, that you do in your hobby. So
Absolutely.
hobby is not like meditation is different from hobby. Hobby is for your it's your distracting your mind from your problems. Actually you यानी you आप busy हो जाते हो उसमें. आप
नहीं तो
उसमें
वो
busy hobby.
जब वो
And
क्रोशे करते हैं ना
meditation
तो
is what? Meditation gives you positive energy from universe. Om is what? If you do the ucharan of Om, then you are taking your all universe energy. Actually, I am also yoga trainer, so I take yoga classes also. So that's why I'm identifying you that there is difference between hobby and meditation. So
meditation. But if you see crochet also, if you Google, you will find that it has been used as therapy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I told you now that spiritually, if you are attached somewhere,
Yeah.
so spirituality. What happened? If you are more spiritual, then you are more healthy, mentally healthy, because
Very
mental health is connected with spirituality. Because
Correct. Sorry.
If you believe that ki God can, when the God keeps, no frost can kill. So
Yes.
this
Correct.
is the basic one, है ना, जाको राके साइयां मार सके ना कोई.
Yes.
Absolutely. Very true. Very true.
Yes.
God help those who helps themselves. भगवान भी उन्हीं की मदद करता है जो अपनी मदद स्वयं करता है.
Yeah.
Right. This is
Bhagwan give us na very wise and a very important part that is called brain. So we use our brain very wisely. God has given us very important tool with us. So we should use it.
See, God has made all this creativity, but He has made something different for all of human beings. Why? Because He has given us buddhi to do our work, so we can use our buddhi for anything. That's why we are different from all animals. And all
that is very true. Human being is high in position because we have a very wise brain.
He has given us vivek and also that
vivek, like, buddhi.
Sahanshilta.
Very true. Very true. Very true.
Okay. Sir, would you like to ask or interact with Mary Didi, Mary Bhabhi? Yeah. Would you like to ask?
I heard battery is draining.
Sorry?
Is the battery of your mobile is draining?
Yeah. I just changed my location and just put it to charge. Yeah. but I can hear you now.
So this is just like a Thanksgiving, uh, because we don't know when we conclude. So it's a Thanksgiving. I'm thanking you very much for joining this class, and let's conclude it beautifully. That you said, I do agree with one point, miss all the others as well, but one point was very beautiful. You said Jabalpur is a beautiful place because we people are from Jabalpur, and one more thing, that beautiful people got married in Jabalpur. That's why Jabalpur is beautiful,
Thank
and
you so much.
we carry on because you don't know when your battery is lost and drained.
Yeah, I'm trying my level best.
So we continue.
Thank you
I
so
don't
much.
want to ask you anything. Whenever I come to Nagpur, I will definitely meet you.
More, it will be our privilege. Totally, our privilege to meet you. Yes, we like to meet you. Yes. So,
And there are
and it
some
was
more
my
new guys. दोस्तों तुम लोग हिंदी में, जैसे हेमा जी हैं, वो अपना कैमरा भी ऑन नहीं कर रही हैं, वो नागपुर से हैं, उन्होंने अभी अभी क्लास ज्वाइन की है। हेमा जी, आप हिंदी में पूछिए, कैमरा ऑन कीजिए अपना। आपके नागपुर से ही मैरी जी हैं, और हो सकता है वो आपके पड़ोस से।
Thank you,
प्लीज
Hema.
पूछिए।
Hema, you are mute. Hema, you are mute.
Sorry. Hello, Renu ji.
Hi, Hema. Welcome.
Hi. Thank you. हेलो
हेमा,
रेनू, आप कैसे हो?
आई एम गुड. यू कैन आस्क एनीथिंग. आप कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं मेरी भाभी से. कुछ भी पूछिए. बी कंफर्टेबल एज यू आर टॉकिंग टू मी.
आपने थोड़ा देर से ज्वाइन किया था हेमा जी, तो मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि मैरी जी जो हैं
जी सर.
वो आज गेस्ट हैं। रेनू जी आपसे बाद में कई बार मिल सकती हैं, तो मैरी जी से आप अपना जो भी प्रश्न रखना चाहें पूछें।
हेलो मेरी जी.
हेलो हेमा.
मेरी जी, मुझे है ना इंग्लिश टॉकिंग का मतलब थोड़ा ज़्यादा नहीं है. हम लोग हिंदी लैंग्वेज में ही बात करते हैं.
जी.
तो है ना, अभी जस्ट ही मैंने 15 डेज पहले ही क्लास शुरू करी है सर की. मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है सबसे मिलके
जी
क्लास में. इससे क्या है ना, बोलने के लिए मतलब अपन कॉन्फिडेंस भी आ जाता है, टंग क्लियर हो
एग्जैक्टली.
जाती है
जी.
है ना. अच्छा, आपकी इंग्लिश तो बहुत अच्छी है, तो आपने कैसे इतना अच्छा किया अपने आप को इस लैंग्वेज में?
हेमा, मैं क्रिश्चियन हूँ, तो
हाँ, मुझे
माय
नाम
मदर.
से लगा आपका.
हाँ, तो इंग्लिश इज माय मदर टंग. वो मेरा मदर टंग होने के कारण मुझे थोड़ी आसानी हुई है, मगर दैट डजंट मीन कि जो वोकैबुलरी, प्रोनाउंसिएशन, एक्सेंट है, और उसके लिए हार्डवर्क की बहुत जरूरत होती है हेमा. तो फॉर दैट, इफ आई हैव टू गिव एनी क्रेडिट, इज बिकॉज आई हैव द हैबिट ऑफ रीडिंग. और जैसे आप शायद देर से आई हेमा. वी हैव बीन टॉकिंग, हम लोग की बात हो रही थी, अपर्णा, रेनू और वही मैंने बार बार वही कहा कि रीडिंग एंड ये जो बीबीसी हुआ, CNN, ये जो इंग्लिश के चैनल्स होते हैं, दे आर वेरी गुड. प्रोनाउंसिएशन, एक्सेंट, डिक्शन, ये जो बहुत जरूरी होता है इंग्लिश के लिए, वहां पे काफी सारे मेरे खुद के डाउट्स क्लियर होते हैं. Because every time you can't ask anybody कि भाई how do you pronounce this word. तो जनरली when you न्यूज वगैरह आप देखते हैं, तो लॉट ऑफ क्लैरिटी कम्स उसमें। फिर वो उसमें धीरे धीरे वोकैबुलरी बिल्डअप हो जाता है। एंड हम लोग की वही बात चल रही थी हेमा, कि आप जब तक बोलोगे नहीं तब तक
हाँ।
आपको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आएगा।
नहीं है एक्चुअली हम लोग है ना, जैसे हार्ड वर्किंग तो बहुत हो जाते हैं,
जी
है ना, लेकिन है ना हम बोलते बहुत कम है। जैसे
जी।
हमारे इसमें ससुराल में ऐसा ही रहता है कि काम करते रहो, बोलो कुछ भी नहीं। तो वो थोड़ा उसमें नेचर में आ जाता है, नेचर में आ जाता है हमारे।
हेमा, ये दौर से तो सब निकले हैं, निकल रहे
ओके।
हैं, उसमें है।
हाँ।
बट उसमें डजंट मीन कि आपका ग्रोथ रुक जाए। हेमा, आप जो करना चाहती हैं
ओके।
वो करिए आप। और ये जो दौर है वो सबकी जिंदगी में हो चुका है, हो रहा है और होगा भी। ठीक है, तो उसमें आप है ना अपने आप को सीमित मत करिए, है ना। आपने जो जैसे
यस
आप ना रेनू और अपर्णा को देखिए, वो ये दो लेडीज हैं जो जिद पकड़ लेती है ना कि मुझे करना है, तो फिर वो कर लेती है। बस आप ठान लीजिएगा। पूनम जी को भी देखिए, सारिका भी है,
पूनम
इतने
मेरी छोटी
अच्छे।
देवरानी है। पूनम मेरी देवरानी है दीदी।
ओ दिन बाप रे, तो फिर तो कोई बात ही नहीं हुई, फिर आप तो बहुत बढ़िया जगह में है।
हाँ, और रेनू भी मेरी बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंड है।
यस
हम
यस
लोग है
यस।
ना बहुत टाइम साथ बिताते हैं। हाँ हाँ।
जी 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 जी।
I want to share. She is Devrani, and I am sister of her. So she is like my heart. Hema, I love her from my core of my heart. I love her so much. Yeah.
So nice.
थैंक यू रेनू।
मैं एक बात बोलना चाहती हूँ। जैसे कि हिमा ने बोला कि ससुराल में आते हैं, मेरी भी जॉइंट फैमिली है। ससुराल में आते हैं तो हमें काम के लिए ज्यादा प्रोत्साहित किया जाता है instead of speaking anything. But
Correct.
when I was new in my sasural, I have means I was speaking earlier because my bhaiya said कि you have learned enough, so you can interact with your niece or whoever in your family who can interact with you. You can share your feelings. But I was told not to speak in English. But I did not do this. Matlab, I did not stop myself speaking English with my husband and others. Learning is our means it is my motive to learn English. Now I have got the opportunity to learn English from online with Jha sir. So I'm getting this, and it has been 10 or 12 months from now, and I am speaking like this. Earlier, my bhabhi, I was not able to speak whenever we had work na with you. So you also talked, you interacted me with English, but I spoke only one or two sentences, but I was not able to speak. Now I can say कि I can speak proudly.
Yes.
But but I did not stop myself to say. Now this is the stage whenever I speak with my niece and with my anybody else, they also feel very proud. Now
Very
they are
true. Very
starting
true.
feeling proud at me. Yes, my daughter-in-law is speaking in English with outsider with any official work. So this is the
Yeah,
change.
yeah.
Change of
So wonderful.
atmosphere, change of fashion, and change of this is society. We have to motivate ourselves with the person like Poonam, Mary Bhabhi, Renu Bhabhi. You can improve yours.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Actually, everything is up to us. If you want, if we want to learn, then we can definitely learn. Sorry to
Absolutely.
say, but our in-laws are very, matlab, we are blessed that our father-in-law and mother-in-law are very, very nice person. We really, I'm saying from my heart that my father-in-law is very, and my mother-in-law also, both are very like, you, I, matlab, I don't have any word to for praising them. Actually,
Correct.
really we are blessed that we are in that family,
We
and
are lucky
because
person to have that.
they never interrupt between us. Ki whatever we want to do, we are free to do anything.
Very true.
They
Then you're
give us actually they give us a space always. Whatever we complete our work, then what we are doing, they are not interrupting us anytime. My
that is
father,
very good.
both are
Very
very
good.
gymnastic person. Both are.
You're a very, very, very good.
Because there is
Fortunate. Very
idiom, there
fortunate.
is the idiom where there is a will, there is a way. जहाँ
Yes.
चाह
Absolutely.
अपन कहीं पे भी चाहो करने के, अभी तुम्हें मौका मिला है, अभी तुम करके दिखाओ बस.
Very true. And you all have used this pandemic time so nicely. That's what I was thinking yesterday when Renu told me that Bhabhi will be having an interactive session. तो आप ज्वाइन करिएगा एंड शी इज गोइंग टू सेंड मी द लिंक एंड कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ओ दिस इज सो स्मार्ट दीज लेडीज आर सो स्मार्ट आई मिस्ड आई थॉट कि अरे मैंने कुछ कर लेना था दैट इट स्ट्रक मी so I'm so proud of you. You ladies are really and I'm very proud that you're used this pandemic time so fruitfully. I wish I would have done some things. But there is always time. I always believe there is a learning curve. Anytime you can do anything you want. So great. You ladies are really great. Great. Your achievements are wonderful. And keep doing continuing this learning curve. This growth should continue. I want to see some great work from you all also. I want to see some articles now from you all. How this journey, how you all thought of it, how you all started it, and take it forward. I would love to see that. And perhaps we'll meet up sometime soon. Am I audible, Aparna?
It's clearly
Yeah,
audible to you.
Clearly audible.
Thank you so much. Thank
Over
you so much.
Thank you so much for giving your precious time to us.
Yeah,
Poonam,
Bhabhi.
it was a pleasure.
Nice to listen to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was my pleasure, sir. It was so wonderful meeting you as well, and you have done a great job.
Thank you
Means,
very much.
I always knew that all of means Poonam and Sarika I have not met. I think we may have met just off. Means I don't know if we have met, but Aparna and Renu, I knew always that you all knew English, but I think वो कहीं ना कहीं वो थोड़ी सी झिझक लग रही थी. And but today when I hear you speaking so eloquently, I feel so proud of you guys. Yeah, great job. And continue doing this. Continue doing that. Can sometimes motivate me also. कि भाभी ये करना है या I'll be so happy to join you guys.
Thank you very much,
Thank
Mary.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mary ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you,
Mary.
all of
Thank you,
all of
everyone.
you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. God bless all of you. And let us meet up sometime. Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, guys. Ritu joined and she left.
Yes.
तो यहाँ ये वार्तालाप समाप्त हुआ है. हेमा जी या जो जूनियर बच्चे हैं वो कंटिन्यू करना चाहें तो जुड़े रहें. हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे अपनी क्लास. थोड़ा सा समय बचा हुआ है. What do you think, guys? Should we continue class or should we conclude?
Sir, as you
Continue, sir.
Poonam is saying conclude. Should I give you one interactive and one idiom?
Oh, sir, I said continue.
Continue, okay. So I'm changing my place and I'm
Okay,
switching.
sir, everybody, sir, my son's meeting that is very important for boards. So I am leaving and I have to attend. He is telling ki, please come, mama. So I have gone. I have come here. So my heart is here. I am presently there. So sorry, huh? Bye bye
Please,
everybody. Yeah,
please go.
bye. Thank you.
I have switched off my camera because I'm changing the place of my tripod. Meanwhile, Sarika, tell me, did I give you any interactive sentence?
Yes, sir. You gave us one interactive sentence and one idiom as well.
Aparna, which interactive sentence did I give?
Sir, you gave us yesterday, no today, not today. आज रहने दो.
Poonam, what is the Hindi meaning of not today?
Sir, the Hindi meaning of not today is आज रहने दे.
Thank you. And Sarika, what is the Hindi meaning of the idiom?
Sir, the Hindi meaning idiom is चोरी का धन मूरी में जाता है.
Okay, now I'm switching on my camera because I have set my tripod accordingly. And is the whiteboard visible to you? Yes.
Sir, it is visible but shining sometime. Because
This,
of tube light of opposite
this,
side.
this will continue, but you can adjust your camera, adjust your screen accordingly. I have increased the height a little bit. Now the less shining will be there. And if I am not mistaken, have I given you this interactive?
No, sir, you
No,
haven't given this interactive.
you haven't.
Can anybody guess the meaning of this interactive?
अगर
यदि
मैं
मैं गलती नहीं कर रही हूँ.
Very nice. This is word to word translation. Good.
अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूँ तो
Aparna, read this.
Yes, sir. If I am not mistaken, अगर मेरा अंदाजा सही है तो.
Should I give you one example?
Yes, sir. Please.
If I'm not mistaken, you are the son of Barelal Sahu.
Sir, you have spoken out of my mouth. I'm asking to this question to Shivang. Shivang is there, na? So Shivang, if I'm not mistaken, you are the brother of Chaya and Neha.
Jaya and Neha.
Neha and Jaya. Shivang is not there, na? She's left. He's left, Shaya.
He's left.
But your sentence is correct. Complete the process.
शिवांग, यदि मेरा अंदाजा सही है तो तुम जया और नेहा के भाई हो.
Call somebody.
अपर्णा दी.
If I'm not mistaken, Poonam, you are a face reader.
Yes.
सही है तो.
Yes, Aparna, you are right.
Really, Bhabhi? You are face reader?
Sometimes.
Wow.
देखा, मेरा अंदाजा सही निकला।
Means you are also face reader, na? You can face her
always,
face.
you can never judge a people by their
I'm in her shoe now, I can say. Isn't it, Poonam?
yes. Mm. Okay. Complete the process, Aparna.
अगर मेरा अंदाजा सही है तो आप फेस रीडर हैं, पूनम?
हाँ पढ़ना कभी कभी मैं फेस रीड कर लेती हूँ. Okay, what was her name who has joined the class? Mary?
Mary Ranganathan.
मेरी साथ्यनाथ,
मेरी सारगनाथन ना.
साथ्यनाथन. मैं तो
हाँ.
उनको बुलाती हूँ, पता नहीं क्या
Ranganathan.
हाँ, no.
Aparna di, how do you know her?
She is my neighbor next to that.
Oh.
Okay. Because I was making sentence with her that if I am not mistaken, she is Christian. I can guess by his name.
Complete the process.
अगर मेरा अंदाजा सही है तो वो क्रिश्चियन है. मैं उनके नाम से गैस कर रही हूँ. मेरी सारंगनाथन.
All have made sentences. Is anybody rest except the junior guys?
No, sir, nobody missed.
But guys, you all have used only B chapter. So please send me some more sentences of, if I'm not mistaken, in WhatsApp by using some more chapters. And Poonam, can you tell me which chapter does this sentence belong?
Yes, sir. A burnt child dreads the
Fire. F-I-R-E.
fire. Okay, sir. This sentence this sentence belongs to simple present tense.
Absolutely correct. Poonam, can you ask the next question to Sarika?
Okay. What is the subject in this sentence, Sarika?
Bhabhi, a burnt child is the subject in this sentence.
Ask the next question, Sarika.
Okay, sir. Di, what is the helping verb in this sentence?
Sarika, there is no helping verb in this sentence. Poonam, what is dreads here?
Aparna, dread.
Wait. What is dread here?
Dread. Okay. What is dread here?
Sarika, dread is the main verb in this sentence.
Aparna, do you want to ask a cross question? No.
V1. First
Yes.
form of verb.
Yes. Ask the next question.
Okay. Sarika, what is object in this sentence?
The fire is the object in this sentence.
Sarika, आप पूछो, यहाँ में पूछ लेते. Can you guess the Hindi meaning of this idiom?
Yes, sir.
दूध का जला छाछ को भी फूक फूक कर पीता है.
Correct. Now speak, firstly, Sarika, speak English, then Hindi.
A burnt child dreads the fire. दूध का जला छाछ को भी फूक फूक कर पीता है. अपर्णा दी.
A burnt child dreads the fire. दूध का जला छाछ भी फूक फूक कर पीता है. पुनः.
A burnt child dreads the fire. दूध का जला छाछ को भी फूक फूक कर पीता है. All are done.
Sarika, what should be the verb for darna?
Sir, the verb darna should be dread.
Ask the next question to Aparna.
Aparna di, should be the spelling of dread.
Sarika, the spelling of dread should be D-R-E-A-D. Dread. Poonam, what should be the second form of dread?
The second form of dread should be dreaded. Okay, Sarika, what should be the spelling of second form of dread?
Bhabhi, the spelling of second form of a dread is should be D-E-A-D-E-D. Aparna di, what should be the third dread?
The spelling of third form of dread should be D-R-E-A-D-E-D.
Poonam, what should be the noun of dread?
Noun of dread. Dread. So dread is noun.
Right. And Sarika, what should be the Hindi meaning of dread?
Sir, the Hindi meaning of dread should be dar.
Correct.
Bhai.
Please write it down. And we conclude it here. And meanwhile, I'm leaving one question. Poonam, can you make this idiom inverted?
Yes, sir. I'm trying. Okay. One of my sister-in-law. Okay. Inverted, no?
Inverted. You
Okay.
have to ask me inverted question. How will you make this sentence?
Okay. Yes, sir. I'm making. Does a burnt child dread the fire?
Absolutely right. Yes, Poonam. A burnt child dreads the fire. Complete the process.
क्या एक जला हुआ बच्चा सर
दूध का जला
क्या दूध का जला छाछ भी फूक फूक कर पीता है?
हाँ पूनम, दूध का जला छाछ भी फूक कर पीता है. Sarika, does a burnt child dread the fire?
Yes, sir. Absolutely. A burnt child dreads the fire.
क्या दूध का जला छाछ भी फूक फूक कर पीता है?
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल. दूध का जला छाछ को भी फूक फूक कर पीता है. Aparna di, does a burnt child dread the fire?
ऐस तो नहीं लगा है?
No, sir.
Good.
No.
Should I repeat?
Please.
Okay.
Please repeat.
Does a burnt child dread the fire?
Yes, Sarika. A burnt child dreads the fire. Complete the process, Sarika.
दी, क्या दूध का जला छाछ को भी फूक फूक कर पीता है?
हाँ सारिका, दूध का जला छाछ भी फूक फूक कर पीता है.
Guys, have you written this? If you have not written, still there is no problem because it has been recorded. So you can. Because now I'm starving. So I'm concluding the class. Thank you for joining. God bless.
Thank
you.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Jalna.